In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing easily and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys to fix this problem, it's actually very easy. Just open the Play Store on your phone. If you have App Store, iPhone, you can open it. Now all what you have to do here is update your Instagram. After you update your Instagram by clicking on the option, now go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Go to the apps. Right here it will start loading all the apps. Wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on it, now all what you have to do is click on this option. When you click on this option, now restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.